Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, another beauty. Another beauty. Yeah. How are you? Yeah, you too. You too, sister. You're not crying. Why you are crying? No. Go here, here. Hey, come you too, come. Oh, my beautiful fish.
What a cute voice.
Come. Come. Come, and I will pet you. Come. No. Look to his nose. Yes, you are cute. Yes, you are cute. Come. You are so cute. Yeah. Come. No. It is too disappointing this. Yes. No.
There is black point
So
in
cute cat,
his paw.
Gosh.
In his paw.
My cuties. So cute. It is so beautiful. Interesting cat. My love is so... I didn't see his nose.
So cute.
Show to people your wonderful nose. Show your face. Hey. Yes. Yes, look. Yes, nice cat.
Morning yoga.
Good cat. This one nice.
What a cute face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cat. Come you two. Come. No, okay.
Hungry these beauties, huh? Let's sit.
What he's doing like this?
I don't understand what
Look
he's
his
doing.
position.
Cat yoga.
Oh, yeah, look at his nose. What are you doing like this, huh? What that mean? Explain me.
Cat yoga.
Explain me, please, what that mean. And long time he's standing like
interesting.
this. Yes. Me too. How do you go?
Hungry? Come on, let's eat, Mama.
Eat, you too. Come on.
Oh, not hungry.
He's not. Eat. He's not hungry. He came for interesting one.